Hey everybody, how is it going? So last time we did a short tutorial for impulse wave. Let's keep going, and this time we have zigzag. So quick reminder, impulse is a 5-wave structure, and then once it's completed, you correct in a 3-wave fashion like this, ABC. And your ABC is gonna often retrace to the 618 level. And of course you can subdivide all of this. So in your wave 1 you're gonna have 5 wave, then 3 wave decline ABC in 2, another 5 wave in your wave 3, then another ABC in 4, and another 5 wave in your wave 5. And then your ABC is gonna be a 5-3-5 structure, meaning that in your wave A you're gonna have 5 waves. Wave B is gonna be in itself an ABC zigzag, and your wave C is gonna be another 5-wave decline. Yes? And very often you're gonna be able to channel your zigzag, meaning that your wave C is gonna end either on the lower end of your channel, or sometimes even on the median line like this. Alright, so let's see some examples. This is Bitcoin daily chart 2018. Yes. So here we had a correction which was typical zigzag with a hit on the medium line to finish here. We started with a 5 wave, which was in this case a diagonal. I will probably do a tutorial on this. Then we had this wave B triangle, and we finished with a 5 wave in C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, to form this A, B, and C zigzag here. This is Litecoin on the daily chart 2018 as well. Same thing, we started the bear market with a diagonal here, then the entire bear market was a 3-wave decline ABC with a 5-wave structure, very clean in the wave C. And yeah, it was channeling very well as well. Look at this, very nice channel to contain this zigzag with a very long C this time. This is Ethereum against Bitcoin, and I believe we just finished another zigzag here with 5, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in C. I believe that now we're gonna move up for Ethereum against Bitcoin. This is Litecoin against Bitcoin, very long-term chart, and in this chart it's interesting because it's actually a series of zigzag. Yes, we have one here, ABC, one to the upside, ABC with very short C here that you can barely channel, and I believe we just completed another one here, A, B with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in C. This is Ethereum against the dollar 2018. Same thing, we started with diagonal here, and we did a beautiful ABC with very clean 5-wave in C here. Very nice channel as well. This is waves against the dollar. We already spoke about it last time for the tutorial about impulse wave. So we have a 5-wave impulse followed by a 3-wave decline. Very clean hit on the medium line of the channel here for the wave C. And of course, yeah, you can find as well this type of pattern in stocks, not only in crypto here. So this is BCOR. We have 5 waves up, very clean 5-wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 5 here, and then a typical 3-wave decline, ABC contained within parallel line, right? Where do you retrace? 618 to the tick, and you can count very well your 5 waves and see 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3 of C. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we're gonna move up most likely. This is another stock, HSY, very clean 3-wave decline here where we breach a bit the channel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the wave C, and then what do? We move up in a 5-wave fashion here, and we do another 3-wave decline like this with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in C with truncation here. Where do you retrace? Yeah, very close to 618 as well. And yeah, maybe last one. This is STKL, another stock. And as you can see, we have very nice 3-wave decline contained within parallel lines. And you can very well count the 5 waves in E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave B, as I said, your wave B is a zigzag as well, most of the time. So you have your A, B, C, and B here as well, at a lower degree of trend, yes. And A, B, C zigzag is a 5, 3, 5, yes. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in A, B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in C. And then your wave C is a 5-wave as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can even subdivide it very well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then even the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even the wave 3 of 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very, very clean structure here. Alright, and now let's see some examples of how you can use it in live. So this was a chart posted for Ethereum against the dollar. So here I messed up the chart here because I posted in a hurry, but posted the same chart in the Discord group. So you should draw the channel origin, project, link it to end of wave B, project wave from wave A. And you can pinpoint here the entry for the play. So okay, this channel is not good, but it doesn't change. The outcome, yes, boom. I was recommending short here. It went down. And another example, which happened actually yesterday evening. So same thing, A, B, C, contained within parallel line, clear 5 waves in C. And I thought, you see, that we were gonna still move a tiny bit to reach the medium line before we dump. And what happened is we moved up, reached the medium line, and we dumped. And yeah, all of this was posted in real time on the Discord. So the Discord group is Trading Surfers. So here, you see, that was the first one, pinpoint the entry for the short. And the other one yesterday evening, same thing, okay? This Discord group, I run it with my friend. You can follow us on this Discord where we cover stocks and crypto. The Discord is for free. And you can also follow us on Twitter. This is my Twitter, and this is his Twitter. I will put all the link for all of this in the description. Alright, that's it for today. That was the tutorial for Zigzag. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.